gentle sound. The ducks go quack by the pond so blue. The horses sing neigh and gallop too. Ah, moo, quack and neigh. The animals love to play all day. On the farm they laugh and sing. Come join the fun, hear them all ring. The chickens cluck and they sound the same. The goats skip high on the grassy hill. The dogs bark loud, they got time to fill. Let's all dance just like they do. Wiggle and jump, it's a barnyard crew. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. The farm's the place where we all meet. The turkeys gobble as they strut so proud. The donkeys bray and it's oh so loud. The cats meow while they chase a mouse. The rooster crows near the farmer's house. The rabbits hop in the morning sun. The geese honk loud as they splash and run. The sheepdog herds with a wagging tail. The farm's alive in every detail. Softly when the moon is bright. The bats fly out in the starry night. The crickets chirp as the farm rests low. But tomorrow again the fun will